Welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. We're working on a porch project behind the house. So we're going to enclose it. Used to have lattice up there. Wife pulled it out. We're going to put siding up to close under the porch. Pre-staining your siding is always a good idea. We'll get on it and show you how to work it in. We're using Cabot stain. Same color as the house. So let me get my brush, get my stir stick out. Let's get this thing going. Open the can, stir it up. Got ourselves a nice 4-inch wide brush. It'll take a while to stir it up. Stir until you got a nice even color in the can. So when you do stain, got to work it in. Well, there you go. It's that easy to stain the wood. I'm going to do 2 coats, maybe 3. We'll look at it as we go. I'm going to put this aside and do the rest of them, and we'll be back when we go to work in the backyard. So you saw in the garage we were staining the wood. You can see here we've started to put our verticals in underneath there with some blockage. We're going to be doing that across the front here. We started way down there at the other corner too. Now we've got to get the part in between done. Then we'll be getting siding, and we'll put siding up just like this siding. We'll also have the white trim. We already got the white trim out, so stay tuned. We're going to go get the rest of these up. It's just a matter of cutting them off and screwing them on. So we'll get that done, and then we'll be back to show you where we're at. Oh, we put these in. Had to add an extra one there. We just didn't want a big gap. Got them all the way along. Kind of done with that. We're going to go get the air compressor and the nail gun, and going to cut these and nail them in. Okay, so there we are. We got her done. There you can see how we got the trim in there. Looks all nice. Still got to paint the white. You can see how that looks all closed up. Our next project is going to be painting and caulking up here. First, we're going to pressure wash it. You'll see this in another video. So don't forget, like and subscribe to My Two Good Hands. We'll catch you in the next video. Like and subscribe, post notifications on. Supplies are in the list down below. So if you want, use Amazon and help support the channel. Thank you very much.